Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 5 over 2 and its whole exponent is 2 over 5. So we write this into the simplified form. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we break its exponent and we write this 2 over 5 as in this form. 5 over 2 and its whole squared and its whole power is 1 over 5. We move this 2 inside the term and we have 1 over 5 only. Okay, so after that here we use the nice exponential law. So according to this law, if we have a over b to the power of m, it is written as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So according to this law, we write this base as in this form: 5 square divided by 2 square and its whole power is 1 over 5. Okay, so further we have 5 square, so this 5 square equals to 25 and it is divided by 2 squared and 2 squared equals to 4 and its whole exponent is 1 over 5. So here we write this exponential law, we write this exponential form into the radical form. So now here we write this 1 over 5 as the fifth root of 25 over 4. Okay, so further here we need another exponential law. So according to this law, if we have nth root of a over b, nth root of a over b, we write it as nth root of a divided by nth root of b. Okay, so according to this here we separate the fifth root on both of these terms and it will be written as fifth root of 25 divided by fifth root of 4. Okay, so after that here we need another radical law. So according to this radical law, if we have nth root of a divided by nth root of b, so it is multiplied by b to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root divided by b to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root. So here we apply this nice exponential law on these terms. Okay, so here we, according to this, we multiply this term by, so first we write this term fifth root of 25 divided by fifth root of 4 and it is multiplied by 4 to the power of 5 minus 1 and its fifth root and it is divided by fifth root of 4 to the power of 5 minus 1. Okay, so further here we need more simplifications and we write it as fifth root of 25 multiplied by fifth root of this is 4 to the power of 5 minus 1 equals to 4 to the power of 4 and it is divided by fifth root of 4 and it is multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 and its fifth root. Okay, so now here after that here we use another exponential law, so another radical law. So okay, so according to this radical law, if you have the radical, both of these terms have same radical sign, so that we write it as we combine the fifth root on both of these terms and it will be written as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 and its fifth root and it is divided by, here we combine the fifth root of both of these terms and it will be written as fifth root of 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 4. Okay, so further here we simplify the denominator term and it will be written as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 and its fifth root divided by, here we add the exponent of both of these terms, and it will be written as fifth root of 4 to the power of 5. Okay. So after this step, here we use another radical law. So according to this radical law, if you have nth root of a to the power of n, so this n and are cancelled by each other, so you get here only a. Okay, so according to this radical law, this 5 is cancelled out by this 5, and we get the remaining terms are fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 and its fifth root, and it is divided by 4 only. Okay, so here you see that here we write this expression as into the radical form, and when you write this into the radical form, so first we write this into the exponential form, and it will be written as 25 and fifth root multiplied by 4 to the power. This will be written as 4 to the power of 4 over 5 divided by 4. So here you see that the bases on both of these terms are same. So we subtract the exponent of these terms, and it will be written as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 over 5 minus 1. And now after that we have fifth root of 25 is multiplied by, this will be written as 4 to the power of minus 1 over 5. Okay, when you take the LCM of this term, then you get minus 1 over 5. And now in the next step, here we need to multiply and divide this term by 2 in order to write our simplified form. So here we write this 4 as in this form, fifth root of 25 multiplied by, we write this 4 as 2 squared, and this square is multiplied by minus 1 over 5, and it will be written as 2 to the power of minus 2 over 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, and it is divided by 2 to the power of 1. So now you see here again bases on these two terms are same, so we add its exponents, and it will be written as a fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 2 over 5 plus 1, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so further you see here we have fifth root of 25 is multiplied by, when you take the LCM of these terms, so it will be written as 2 to the power of 3 over 5, and it is divided by 2. So here again we convert this exponential law into the radical form, so we write it as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 2 cubed and its fifth root, and it is divided by 2. So now after that you see here 2 cubed is equals to 8, and we write it as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by fifth root of 8, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so now you see here both equation both terms have fifth root, so we combine this root here, and we write it as fifth root of 25 is multiplied by 8, and it is divided by 2. So when you multiply 25 by 8, then you get here fifth root of 200, and it is divided by 2. So this is the our required simplified form of the given algebraic expression, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.